No.
Look, you throw it at Daddy. Here. You hit Mama's iPad. That would have been priceless if it would have hit me in the face. I know the camera's all over the place, but Mommy trying to dig up snowman.
Come on, Fifi. Come on down here in the light.
Here.
Come on.
Throw it at Daddy. Oh, you threw your first snowball. Oh, it's freezing. Come on. Come on. These two fools. Come back. I can't see y'all. It gets dark when y'all get too far away. Boo boo.
This right here is your first snow.
What's the snowflake doing?
On the Blue Road and Sunrise Avenue.
It is snowing. What? Did it get you?
What it taste like? Taste
Stick.
yucky?
Come here, child. Stick your tongue out. Catch a snowflake.
Yeah, that's nasty, Mama.
That's not, Mama.
It's not nasty. It's only nasty if you eat it off the ground. Is it good?
It's cold.
Ooh. She don't like it. It's cold.
I make a snowman like this.
You gonna make a snowman tomorrow?
This is the cotton ball.
Oh, you made snow.
She fall down and she gonna be cold. She got that pamper on. You see that first snow?